Get ready to explore the future of mobile innovation because the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a game changer. New leaks and hands-on glimpses of this flagship device have started making waves, and today we're diving into everything you need to know. From groundbreaking performance capabilities to design updates and some surprising twists, this video will keep you hooked till the end. Trust me, there's more to this phone than meets the eye. According to a leaked hands-on video, the phone retains its boxy elegance but now features smoother rounded corners for improved ergonomics. The edges curve gently to the back, making it more comfortable to hold. But here's the kicker. The frame itself is flat, providing a sleek, modern aesthetic that's bound to stand out. Color options have also been a hot topic. Official spare parts listings reveal titanium black, blue, gold, and silver as standard options, but rumors suggest we might see online exclusive shades like titanium jade green and pink gold. Performance-wise, Samsung is pulling no punches. Every model in the S25 lineup is confirmed to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset globally, marking the end of Exynos processors in flagship devices. This chipset is a beast, delivering laptop-level performance that's perfect for gaming, multitasking, and everything in between.
Cool.
I know. And the buzz doesn't stop there. The next-gen Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 is rumored to debut soon, promising a 20% performance boost and unparalleled energy efficiency. This could pave the way for even more powerful smartphones like the Galaxy S26 Ultra. But here's where things get interesting. Industry insiders hint that the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 might come with a hefty price tag, potentially increasing the overall cost of flagship phones. Could this mean the S25 Ultra might be more expensive than its predecessors? It's a possibility, but leaks suggest Samsung might offset this with enticing pre-order deals, like doubling storage for free. Imagine getting a 512 gigabytes model for the price of a 256 gigabytes one. Now that's something to look forward to. Let's talk about the cameras because this is where Samsung continues to shine. The Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a quad-camera setup with a 200MP primary sensor, a 50MP telephoto lens, a 10MP periscope zoom, and a 50MP ultra-wide sensor. The new ultra-wide lens is a step up from the previous generation, ensuring breathtaking shots in all lighting conditions. Whether it's capturing vibrant landscapes or detailed close-ups, this device promises to set new benchmarks in mobile photography. Samsung hasn't stopped at hardware. The integration of AI is rumored to be next level. Reports suggest a collaboration with OpenAI to enhance Galaxy AI features in One UI 7.0. Imagine a voice assistant powered by ChatGPT's framework, helping you with tasks, generating ideas, and even optimizing your daily workflow. If these rumors hold true, the Galaxy S25 Ultra might just become the smartest phone on the market. On the software front, One UI 7.0 is shaping up to be a significant upgrade. The interface is reportedly optimized for smoother animations, better multitasking, and improved battery efficiency. Samsung is also said to be incorporating more customization options so you can truly make your phone your own. Speaking of batteries, the S25 Ultra retains a reliable 5,000 mAh battery, but it's the charging speeds that grab attention. With 45 dually wired charging and 15 dually wireless fast charging, Samsung ensures you're powered up in no time. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or working, the S25 Ultra is designed to keep up with your lifestyle. Durability has also been a focus with an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Plus, the use of titanium in the frame not only makes the phone lighter, but also significantly more robust. This combination of durability and sleek design is a testament to Samsung's attention to detail. Finally, let's address the elephant in the room: pricing. With all these upgrades and innovations, will the Galaxy S25 Ultra justify its cost? While there's no official word yet, early leaks suggest Samsung aims to keep prices competitive, especially with fierce competition from other flagship brands. The value-packed pre-order promotions could sweeten the deal for early adopters. So what's the verdict? The Galaxy S25 Ultra appears to be a near-perfect blend of innovation, performance, and design. Whether it's the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the cutting-edge cameras, or the futuristic AI features, this device is geared to dominate 2025. Stay tuned, because the official launch is just around the corner, and we'll have all the details for you.